Hello, emotionally intelligent ones. Did you know that families come in many shapes and sizes? Well, every family is unique and special, and today we are learning about families and family structure. Hello, and welcome to video 18 of our social and emotional learning series. Have you watched videos 1 to 17? Ensure you do so for your learning and enjoyment. Let's get right into this video. What is a family? A family is a group of people connected by ties of marriage, blood, or adoption. A family is a group of people living together and providing each other with support and love. Families do things together. They eat together, pray together, play together, celebrate wins together, face challenges together, support one another, and live in peace and unity. Families can either be big or small. Let's talk about 6 different family structures. Number 1, nuclear family. A nuclear family is a family unit consisting of a father, mother, and children living together in one household. 2, single parent family. Some children live only with their mother, while others live only with their fathers. This can be because of death, separation, divorce, or distance. Number 3, blended or step family. This is a home where parents may have children from previous families and come together to form family. Here there are stepmom, stepdad, and even step siblings. Number 4, extended family. Extended family consists of grandma, grandpa, aunties, uncles, cousins, mom, dad, all living in the same household. 5, foster or adoptive family. This is a family where adults choose to welcome, care for, and parent children who may not be their biological children. They adopt children legally and parent them with love, support, and safety. Number 6, family with guardians. Sometimes children live with trusted adults or caregivers who are not their biological parents. Such guardians can be close relatives or family friends. Even though family structures are different, families usually try to keep children safe, teach values and morals, show support learning, and help kids grow into kind humans. When you see a family that is different from yours, do not make fun of another person's family. Instead, you should be kind to everyone. Use positive words like, "It is okay if our families are not the same. Is that your family? That's nice to know." And you should also ask questions respectfully if you ever need to. So, my dear emotionally intelligent ones, families are different and they all deserve our love, respect, and kindness. Did you enjoy this video? Make sure you give it a thumbs up. Did you learn something from it? Make sure you put it into use. Did you have a feedback or thought? Let's hear it in the comments. Make sure you share these videos with other people so that they can learn. Watch other videos in this playlist and subscribe to this channel for more. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.